Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts. I am Anna Vanila and this is the channel where I explain lots of things that I do in my life, all from my experience, and I share everything, absolutely everything that I know with you. And drawing and knitting and crocheting and plaiting and knotting and all sorts. For today we've got this beautiful hat and I would like to show you how I've made this pattern. It's very easy, very simple. As you can see, it's like little snakes in here. It's very easy to do, but you need a little bit more patience to master it. But if you're a beginner, you can also do this hat easily. So the first loop we never ever need. So we start off with a purl stitch. Then we count 3 loops. After the 3 loops, we use a right needle through and we grab the yarn from behind, we bring it to the front, then we take the first loop out of 3 loops, we knit it with a front stitch, release, and then we knit with a front stitch the rest of 2 loops, and from 3 we create 3 loops. Purl stitch, 1 purl stitch, so we count 1, 2, 3, put the needle through, grab the yarn, pick up the first loop out of 3, we grab and we knit it with a front stitch, then we take this other 2 and from the group of 3 and we knit them with a front stitch, purl stitch, and so on. This is what we do until the end of this row. It's very easy to master it. So hopefully I explained to you easy enough to understand how to knit this pattern. You only need knit 2 rows to make this beautiful pattern, a summer hat. Beautiful, beautiful design. I also forgotten to tell you I'm using needles number 5 for this hat, and I have 71 stitches, 71 loops on my needles, and the first one we never ever need, so we just put on the front needle, right needle. We knit the first one front stitch, second one purl stitch, third one front stitch, purl stitch, and then again front stitch. So purl stitch, front stitch, purl stitch, front stitch, purl stitch, front stitch, purl stitch, front stitch. And this is what we need to make this pattern to be able to create this hat. It's very easy and quick to do. Hello again. This is the end of this hat. As you can see, it's very beautiful, it's very stretchy, is very beautiful, it's quite thin, and these long lines give itself such a beauty. It's nice at touch, and as you can see, it's all nicely done and straight. It's very stretchy, is the shape and the size should suit most of us. And this is at the back. I've done the stitch on the back. On the front with this little needle, plastic needle, my favorite actually needle, and this is how it looks at the inside out, where I've moved the threads and I have hidden them all with the needle. And this is how you wear it. You wear this part, the stitched part, at the back. So this is the back part of the hat, and this is the front. I love this hat. I love the texture of it. The color, I think, is juicy. I think it's like cherry, deep cherry. It's fantastic, it's beautiful, it's acrylic yarn. It's not so warm in it, I don't think so. So I think it's pretty much good for the summer evenings, for cool times when it's a bit cold. You just grab a hat like this one and it would just keep you warm and looked after, and also make you feel and look original, because this pattern you can only find on my channel, and I can guarantee you you can do a hat like this one even if you are a beginner. It's beautiful at the top. As you can see, it's circular here. It's acrylic yarn, it's breathable, it's slightly transparent because I've knitted with needles number 5, so it's a bit stretchy. As you can see, it stretches a lot, and you can see my hand through. And I think it's fantastic. I just love it, how it turned out. Actually, it turned out much better than I thought that it will, and I hope you can try this pattern for yourself and enjoy knitting it. And I would be glad to see it in process if you send me a couple of pictures of your hat that you've made, and we can enjoy it knitting together. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you for everything, for visiting my channel, and please don't forget to see my other new videos and older videos too. So thank you very much for stopping by, and see you next time.